我哋如果成日玩五排咧，都會咧對 ACE 呢個字唔陌生嘅。嗱，玩五排最興奮係乜嘢啊？梗係見到 You have slain an enemy, double kill。嗱，就係呢個字啦，Ace 呢個字啦。如果我哋玩中文版嘅傳說啦、王者啦或者英雄聯盟咧，對於呢個字咧係唔陌生嘅。但係咧有冇問到一個問題，就係點解消滅敵隊會變咗 ACE 咧？乜唔係 You have destroyed the whole enemy team 咩？如果我哋查字典嘅話咧，Ace 呢個字係咧同 excellence 係差唔多意思，不過佢同 excellence 有一個分別嘅。Ace 呢個字係帶有完成、屈機嘅意思。例如，我哋如果好想講阿 Chris 喺今次嘅 Final Exam 係好出色、屈人機嘅時候，除咗我哋可以講 Chris has done excellently in the final exam 之外，我哋可以講乜嘢啊？Chris has aced the final exam。Chris has aced the final exam。明唔明？明嘅話，快啲 share 俾你身邊一齊玩五排嘅戰友啦！我係邊個？我係 ET One 你嘅 English teacher。